style in space, place, design, facilities, and profits. Introducing XL Tower. Business space in Business Bay. Everything about it is XL. Business Bay, the new free zone district that's emerging as the region's business capital. The XL Tower occupies pride of place in this high-profile corporate, retail, and residential neighborhood, overlooking a refreshing waterfront on one side and relaxing open space on the other. An exceptionally unique elliptical design created specially for modern-day commercial use. 172,000 square feet of office space, 19 floors of elegance, luxury foyers in each floor, luxurious entrance lobby, spacious workstations, a place for everything and everything in its place. The support infrastructure is just overwhelming, with every detail thought of and planned for. For instance, parking on 3 podium and 2 basement levels, reception desk, 24-hour security and security cameras, high-speed internet, multi-purpose meeting room, a business lounge. The list goes on. So does work. All work, no play, does not pay. Precisely why the extensive business facilities are perfectly balanced with expansive leisure activities. Outdoor swimming pool, jogging track, aerobics room, gymnasium, health club, and cafeteria. See productivity to employee ratio. Touch XL proportions. The XL Tower offers you a choice of retail units to cash in on a very large customer base within Business Bay and outside, with over 13,000 square feet of retail space at ground level, shopping arcade, covered walkways, parking for both staff and customers. So if you are looking for a truly fine office and retail property investment, look no further. Everything about the XL Tower spells success, right from the word go. Whoever said success has an address got it right. Right here at XL Tower. Business space in Business Bay. An office to own, an investment to cherish, and return on investment, nothing less than XL.